Na we say no so free fa.
You know something? Talk to me. Tell me the truth. I'm ready. Me okay with everything. Me can't talk. I mean be giddy because I say what don't hold now I can't ask my dreams. So means me no me can't talk. I just want you to tell me the truth. I'm not here to fight.
Odo. Me to me travel through the bialada. And I know say nyame na you say biu be me be accessible for ayo ba. Okay. Nyame na you amame.
Okay.
Eye me nwanwa se unimi di sa nkomo we fi se metime twa obi antra na nkanye wo me ne me parents neti and even me parents am me ne omotie no se bi osisi wa mama ni krampa ka wo ho echem awofo me ma me ne papa omo wo me se ne ye ka se se efe ne se unshi a wodofo a wo se wodo ni wiase no wo na wamate ase wa mama hu wodo ate wodo ase mesro emfa bibia nche wotrim why
I'm even speechless. It's in your vanity.
Tepida.
You stay with your parents.
Mama nchire wadi ewiase nipa mama bia ho ehi ene nipa betimi aka asem e de ato so nanso bible se me yemfa nto so e ma ne nye ho mi o kristo ni o mi ntwa won tro de bialada wa mama hu odomu difference e di ntina me twa won tro after all de me pe wo ba ho bia na after all me nya wo you take good care of me inti di ntina me sen ba twa won tro ena se bio e ma e doso pe wo se so ba ne bi ni hag bio what you say inti me sero ibibia free wutrim why
I'm okay. I mean, no problem be with you. So wouldn't your background it as well as I'll buy when you come you okay, you know. Me okay. So we here she we are very okay.
The me okay pa.
It's not person one kind of can entry because me in situation whereby I want baby now be betting and so was snatching my boyfriend, this, that I don't like that.
And no crowd their men so come I will never support that.
Good. Because maybe sound.
Me to me ma will be anya
when your parents net, when you on your banet here. I'm okay.
Many were manity.
Okay. I think so I don't want to fight over this.
Hey,
then
thank you.
Oh, I'm okay. Then a person with the enumerate.
Enumerate.
I'm sorry, up, you are not much so up, you are not much so fucking boy. My move, father, what's your name? Where you have been to Yakawati? I make Yakawati. Over Brewati. I am Winty. What's I am Winty? Then you make us in for you, Papa. When you get Munipa and where you perform, when you say, I
Fanta. Boni bena mdiayo.
Boni bena da msi say.
Fanta enti say we say bibie ni ho abeye ni perfect.
Asembe kwa.
Yam piem ko ka kire ye se wo nko.
Me kwa say me fa no ko te bema. Masa bema. No shi we na me pelo.
Biso David tie why ya die ma. Te se medwene ho amenti ase. Edie ntini ya de wakọ ba ho. Na wo se fa kire ko ke kansema kire no nim ne hefa.
O ma ne didi matem wa kire on ma. Kwa we asum. E ka be si wasum. Ka be fanta me bi so. Ka be si wasum. What's it? Anya with you need to tell ya.
Dabi na tabi ensem of ka kire. E na wo papi.
One asembe na mo.
Can you no call ho no?
Be ma wa.
Why? Go to you no. Sandra.
Aha.
Sandra di enti na wo ko ka kire ensem mo girlfriend. Me no
ba da na me mako. So, also because we chantro. Fanta, why have this was so more than the cook? What the failure go ha? Wo ko kan say who say jere to no na kan. Na wa de kan. Asa me wa ha ya nkan nwema bu wa ha o. Me and am I ready? Don't be we have my son bra. Bema I win aka bi che me. Which wo ko wa say? Wo le cha say me wa say. Ya wo kan na wo kan say. Wo se ya wo kan.
Ma fa wo se me nua fa me se me bibia.
No credit.
Enu ntini ye ko atwetwe me ko ka che me se me mo amane efi se ye nko so nko.
Ana ka kire.
Minim so adenti ana wotimi akọ ge ne ho ana me ne oba na tie ana se ko me mu oba na a whole lot.
Sanda na kasa sa mesro.
Na on the again na.
Say me say woni oba na ho.
So who's on again na?
Wa me kasa me ntia na me metuma wa kasa asem yi. Ade boys.
One time it see. What's it?
Do okay ni say.
Na me say.
I didn't tell me no about tie na me nkan.
Masa me nko ka asem bia ho.
What time?
Fanta.
Wa nkasa che
na
bona sumo.
Tie dia all ya me kasa me ye bia e bia be ye west.
So who's no?
Because who me say no me ye din. But and say bi wo ha de ye we any other. E fa nya onua.
I dey pray for. We pray say you say ya.
E ti da ye kwa say.
Me say me nko ka hwe na ka che ni so wonya kasa na oja che wono wodi matem no.
Now why can any me say na koy?
Me dia.
I na can any me say na koy.
Enya hwe wo ha ye this kind of toy yanka me metime mani. Because dia wo ye no won kire wo do.
Na me ayame a me no do we
Won kire wo do. O David
me ma hwe sum.
Dia bet me say next time come baby.
Na wonya man backing. Me hia wo.
Me say me can ma hwe sum. I dey pray for what it.
Yanko.
Obeti ni mako. Yimie. Obeti ni
Hey.
Ana ka ni ba ya kwa.
Fanta to me akromo.
Fanta. Anybody want to go on catch?
On butter.
Me ba obeti ni ba ya kwa.
E on butter.
Ene bi ga we de manye ni ye kura yi. Kafra. Abba for baby.
Hello. Perfect.
Hey,
How are you, princess?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
I'm good.
Sorry, I couldn't check up on you last night.
Oh,
I came in last night and
no problem.
my girlfriend came in to pick me up.
Okay,
And it was a bit late. That's why I couldn't knock
I
your door.
understand. I'm okay. Hope you're fine.
Yeah, I'm doing great.
How was the night?
It was marvelous.
You slept well.
Very well.
That's good.
She was around, so she being around all the time makes my night so beautiful.
That's good.
Oh, yes.
How's she? She's fine, right?
Yeah, she's doing very well. She's doing well.
I think she has to come and prepare you something. So
Yeah. But I just don't feel like eating this morning though. But if you say so, I'm good to go.
But I don't do that in my house. You have to eat, please.
I will eat for
Yeah,
you.
you have to eat.
Anyway, I saw you pass and I was like, let me say hi to you and let you know
okay,
that I'm also in.
Okay, that's good.
So, see you later. Okay.
But, please come. Sorry, I want to ask you something. Sorry about your friend, my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend, okay.
Is she dating? Sorry, is he dating?
I'm surprised. I'm surprised though. I wasn't expecting this kind of question from you. So
Yeah. I should myself fast, but I want to know.
okay, let me go this way. You know, my friend is a very good guy, as you've witnessed. And I don't know why you asking this question, but he is not dating. Aside you, I don't know any kind of girl aside you. So you are the only beautiful princess that he is going out with. When you know what you will be anyhow.
I trust him, but I just wanted to ask.
Okay, well.
You being his friend, I think you know much than me.
Yeah,
so I wanted to ask.
I don't see anything bad you asking something that you don't know. So it's cool. And anyway, if I may ask, why are you asking this question?
Nothing really, but I really love your friend. I truly love him so
Love
much.
is beautiful.
Yeah, and I trust him.
Yeah, I know.
I don't want him to disappoint me. I wanted to be sure about him. That's why I'm asking. Nothing really. I love him.
I know. Yeah. And he loves you too.
I know.
And I want to tell you something. If you love someone, the only thing that you have to be sure of is trust. Love without trust is loveless.
I know. That's why I'm asking you.
Wow.
So please talk to him. If he's thinking of dating someone else, please, you should stop because I'm ready to give anything he wants.
I don't think he's going to do that. Nothing like that is going to happen.
Okay.
And if anything, don't hesitate, to approach me. I will let you know whatever that is. Okay.
Yeah.
Be good.
Okay.
You know
If
what?
you need anything, please tell me.
All right.
Okay.
You're looking beautiful.
Thank you.
So nice. It tastes so great. Anyway, Esther.
Yeah.
I just want to say a very big thank you for what you've done for me. It seems I was the one who approached you, but from the look of things, the way you treated me in this house, how you pamper me, at least how you take very, very, very good care of me in bed. Damn, you crazy, baby. You crazy. Yeah, I've been in so many relationships, but yours is quite different, man. Like you taking me to the altar. Sometimes I feel like I'm the one sitting, I'm the one about to come. Like I don't even know what to say, baby. Like you keep taking me to different world. The last time I was in China.
Paradise.
The last time German, then the Dutch. Different languages. So I just want to say thank you. I'm blessed to have you.
You're welcome.
I'm blessed to have you. And I'll be glad if you're gonna be the mother of my kids. Yeah, I'll be very, very glad.
Really?
Oh yeah. I'm just praying we're gonna remain as we are. Yeah, because I will regret to lose you.
I hope you're not telling me stories.
Stories. I don't want to say, damn, shit, baby. I'm not telling you stories. I mean every word that I say. Yeah, you mean a lot to me. You mean a lot to me. Like, as I said, I've been into different relationships. But Esther, I bet you're such a darling. I've never met your kind before. Feel me? I feel you. I love you so much. Okay, Esther. And because I want to spend the rest of my life with you. There's some certain things, if you are being advised by me, please take it as I would say.
And what is it?
Because, you know, if you love someone, the person should be a lady of your caliber. I mean your standard. A lady that wherever, no matter the time, no matter the day, wherever you go, you can go with. You know, there are some ladies out there, when you try to, you know, assist them to correct their mistakes, they don't give the chance, you know.
Yeah, they'll get angry.
Yeah. And I don't want you to be that type. Because I have a future, a greater, a brighter future together with you. Okay, yeah.
And I'm ever ready.
Really?
Yeah, to build that temple with you.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn. Cheers for that. Alright, so, shall we?
Yeah.
Just let me give this.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all.
Our wife. Hey. Oh, David. Who say there? Hey, we the 65 battalions, one soldier. Hey. And I'm going to go at you. Other than
who Madame for was asking.
Hey.
And some inquiry.
Madame for Sada. We have man as over.
Oh, Abba. Wow, shall
Abba.
And
yes, Miss McCall Tade was running to the best here. Why?
Now, what you are down for Ninka?
Madame Rich.
Aye.
Rich, as I'm the other gate to make classes soon, Quina. In your judge, you be a class here, Nima Pensan and Nambi, and Adrian, you bought them penny for the 10-20, yeah, no, Miss Anna.
To the own same Brianna.
Oh, when you have your own.
They say more than 2 weeks now, maintaining. My friend across the sea cried about doom the phone cry maintaining cabin. Obi doom no. Now, then, Ecos.
Rich Mama, some day I make case and Cabell wasn't getting us because Rich there. And no one or deal.
Are they also
a young one or deal? Some you don't want to be free by you, may not now on Macacran with them. I'm going to be in a major on Mamma. You can't let you trim me. This time I know be all yeah, boys, no, I hunt. I don't say one thing is a nipas or Niska, and a number for you different. Or scams on a number for you different. When your appointment to be at what side horn baby.
There was occasion say Conongo.
Onoka is a Conongo, and as I know dear to.
Hey, it's no
catch a water Conongo, and I may catch them as Adwato. A business been when our location, a being say be a hand in your Nakako Peka credit, and you know the water Conongo at Matwa, but one cousin in I own every last. So I tell the Nipa de Nipan never saying yes, Uniano. I do mean a baby at my channel, and or fray. And I got oh, I'm not in a Jumasaman. No, it's okay. Corner come in the busy so. And I got a rich and all, and I'm so okay. And I or bar. Nam the phone man on Nakasa. Oh, by that's a link in a bar. Now, one shadow at one major, and I will move the Casa Conongo.
Maybe I make crowd no say, maybe I'm a bibina, Ocean, maybe young Coconongo shape.
Bianfa, who couldn't party, whom Bianfa and Yafi said was a proboche say, and wouldn't sweet potato.
The same Casa did not.
Yeah, Pope, your life, Anke, me. Also, I can't for the lie and you. We're going to show you, know. Sanka make out the show Panam do come as easy on cow or right time. We come met him and I say Filipino Tancano.
You then come be shower. As some I made the master made to any already and some of
now. I don't even video.
Me, and we may see me come down for you.
I say, we are offering, or say, if you feel I will make coffee. Yeah, we don't come in new watching. I'm going to be there. Some go jam cry. Hey, or they wouldn't know. One would they meet him all. Oh, Tim Pacho, the morning in Casa, Motin in case Motin in car. Mina, who she has a walk on some chemise, Anna is a minimum, so one who's one and some beach, I want some as actually knows the day. Ah, eh, as a move. If I then quite a bit, Rebecca means the mature.